Okay, first we're going to draw 2 lines and create 5 sections so we can create our value scale. Here I'm just doing 1-inch boxes. You don't have to use a ruler if you don't want to, but this just helps me stay organized. I am a little bit of a perfectionist, so I like to do it this way. Then we're gonna erase the lines that you made. We don't want the Prismacolor pencils to blend into the pencil, as they totally will, especially the white. The white is the first we're gonna lay down, and the squares that we want the lightest. So the first square is gonna have a lot of white, and the second square is gonna have just a little bit. Now we're gonna add the black. And here the black, you can see better of what I basically just did with the white as well. There you go. And now you can pick your color. So we're going to start with the middle square, because the middle square is going to be the true color of the color pencil. And you want to fill in the square as much as you can. And then we'll start on the lighter side. So this part takes a while. I sped it up for you. But you want to go ahead and spread the color evenly all across the square. And it's really important to have the white underneath, because you'll notice that it will make these squares lighter. And then you can add a little bit more white on top to make them even lighter, which will really help create the value that you're looking for. Next, you'll go on the darker side and do the exact same thing. So you can see that the black base really helps make the color darker. And again, it's better to do the white and the black underneath. That way you keep the vibrancy of the color when you put it on top. If you did it the other way around, if you do the true color first, then the color on top, you won't get the same effect. So it's really important to do the black and white first and then color over them. And now if you have a colorless pencil, you can go ahead and blend over what you had just done. This will go ahead and make the color pencil even. As you can see, as I'm doing the colorless pencil over, it evens out your pencil lines and strokes. And additionally, if you have used your colorless pencil before, it's very important to use the white part of your paper to get rid of the color that might be on it. As you see, I had a little bit of blue on it before. Now we're going to take the Sharpie, and this is totally optional. Again, this is just going to help me bold the lines that I did in the beginning so I can see my 5 different values. I do want to point out, since the Prismacolor is a very soft wax core, that it is really hard to use the Sharpie over. So I ended up grabbing a new Sharpie, and that's where I got these bold lines from here.